In this video, I just wanted to point out a few more things concerning textures once again. Alright, so here's just a simple object that was, I used a flat plane and I subdivided it quite a bit and then I extruded it using the proportional editing tool. I've intentionally shown all these faces in here. You can see there's subdivision all the way through. Alright, but really what brings this thing to life, there's only a couple of lights in the scene, but yet I like dramatic kind of lighting, especially for sci-fi kind of stuff. That really helps a lot. But notice in here, these are all basically up in here, these are flat surfaces, but you see this lighting effect along these edges? Well, those edges are just flat relative to each other, and as they come into here, the same thing. And so it kind of improves the drama within the scene just with this type of lighting, but this isn't really lighting taking place here at all. In here it is to a certain extent as far as the overall lighting of the object. This would be more like the overall lighting down here that you see through here. And if you look at, if you just would take a regular scene and flat light it or put a few lights, maybe you put a light inside and things like that, you're still not going to get this kind of sharp edge like that unless you modify the shape of the surface. And well, this surface only took mere moments to make, but so what makes it happen is, once again, is that I have a texture applied to this surface, and it's really the texture that is what's making the image pop and really bringing it to life. So I really can't emphasize enough the value of using textures in your images, and I've shown you really over the course of the last couple of weeks just very few examples of how they can be applied, but these are just very introductory applications of textures to a scene, and you'll be seeing a lot more as I get this website up and running sometime next month. Alright, well, that's for now, and I'll see you in the next video.